Building a house is a team effort, kinda like winning a big game. And just like a good coach, you need a good engineer. This is your team captain for building the house. The engineer makes the plan, like a blueprint. This plan shows everything, where the house goes, how big it is, and how strong it needs to be. They make sure the house follows the rules and is safe for everyone. The engineer also checks the ground. Bad ground means a bad foundation, and we don't want that. They make sure the foundation is strong, especially in places where the weather changes a lot. Digital tools like tablets and software help engineers review and adjust plans on the go. Advanced techniques like 3D modeling and virtual reality allow for precise planning and visualization before construction even begins. The foundation is like the base of your house. It has to be super strong. Think of it like skating on ice, thin ice, and you fall through. Weak foundation and your house won't last. First, the crew digs a big hole. The engineer checks how deep and what shape it is using digital surveying tools. Then they put in footings. These are like strong concrete blocks that support the foundation walls. They spread out the weight of the house. Next comes the concrete. The engineer makes sure it's mixed properly and poured carefully, often using digital monitoring systems. Once it's dry, we have a solid base to build on. With the foundation done, it's time to build up. First comes the framing, which is like the skeleton of your house. The crew uses wood or metal to make the walls and roof, often guided by digital blueprints. The engineer checks everything, the wood quality, the measurements, how it all fits together, using digital tools for precision. They make sure it's all straight, level, and follows the building rules. Safety first, always. Once the framing is done, it's time for the ground floor. This is usually made of strong wooden beams covered with plywood or special boards, often cut with digital precision tools. The engineer makes sure the floor is level and can hold the weight of everything going on top, using digital levels and sensors. Every step of the way, your engineer is checking for quality. They use advanced digital tools to make sure everything is level, straight, and at the right angles. They check the materials, the work, everything. Safety is super important too. A good engineer makes sure the construction site is safe for everyone. Hard hats, safety glasses, all the important gear. They follow the rules and make sure everyone else does too. Building a house is a big job. But with a good plan and a careful engineer, you can be sure you're building a home that will last a long time. Remember, don't try to take shortcuts. Do it right the first time and you'll be enjoying your new home in no time. For more information, contact Jefability Consult Limited.